Good afternoon, everyone. First day back from our winter vacation. And it's the first class for me. So probably maybe not probably in the first class for you because you probably had classes this morning. Anyway, it is January 5th, week number 11 for KIT English 7D presentations. Let's see, let's start with our Moodle. Everybody is here in our Moodle and the class content and descriptions are here. Now, I made a bit of a mistake. I almost said last week, it was last month, or actually last year in the last class that we had. And I gave you the wrong lesson for the fluency work that we're going to do. So I gave you the lesson that was supposed to be done this week, last week. So this week, I'm going to give you the lesson I was supposed to do last week. They ended up in reverse order. I went ahead for my lessons, and so we're going to go back and do the lesson, the speaking lessons that we were supposed to do last time. We have any time left over, I'd like to do a little bit of Quizlet. We did this before with Quizlet for chapter number 4 and chapter number 3, but we'll do a little bit of Quizlet. I think I probably have to reintroduce this to you because I haven't done it in a while. And I think some people here, I don't think I've seen some of these students for a while, so we'll probably have to go over that. In any case, as usual, you have a reflection exercise. This time, well, it's always a YouTube video, but it's a YouTube video about how to look at information on the internet that is based on graphs and charts and pictures and those sorts of materials that you will actually need to be able to see if you go to work, but even more so just on the internet more lately, you'll see a lot of people using information telling you, oh, look at this chart, look at this graph. But you have to be very careful because you never know if somebody is still, even though they're using a very beautiful graph and a very nice looking chart, you never know if maybe somebody is actually still not giving you real information. So what this says about how to spot a misleading graph, I want you to watch that YouTube video. If you need to, you can go ahead and watch it in Japanese, but I want you to try to watch it in English, try to think about it in English, in your own best English, write a reflection on what this is all about. And try to remember too, I of course do these assignments so that then I can mark your attendance to the class. But this is important information. In the internet age, a lot of people will try to make you believe something that's not true using very beautiful pictures. In this case, now it's graphs. So you have to be very careful in knowing what is real and what is not. The assignment this week is due this Sunday, January 9th at 11 p.m. at night. Okay. And today's Wednesday. So you still have the same amount of time as you normally would if today was Monday and I gave you the assignment to be due for Thursday. But eventually, starting the next class, we're going to make those deadlines shorter and shorter. And eventually you'll be ready for your final test when you have to send in your video in 24 hours after I give you the assignment. Okay, so in this case, today is Wednesday, and the assignment deadline for your manuscript submission for number 6 is Sunday, January 9th, 11 p.m. The reflection exercise is tonight, January 5th at 23. As always, it's always the same day, the evening of the same day that we give that assignment, but the manuscript submission is for Sunday, January 9th. I have a bit of time on the weekend, but remember, you're going to have much less time as we start moving further into January. If you have any questions, you can always use my email or you can talk to me after this class ends. Otherwise, thank you very much.